Today we will be addressing the issue of Discord not showing channels and providing 3 solutions to fix it. But before we dive in, please leave a like on this video. The first solution is to simply log out of your Discord account and log back in. To do this, open Discord and click on your profile icon. Scroll down and click Log Out, then click Log Out again to confirm. Once you've logged out, click Log In and enter your login information. This may solve the issue. If the first solution doesn't work, we'll move on to the second solution. This involves completely uninstalling and then reinstalling Discord. First, open Settings and click on Apps and then Manage Apps. Search for Discord and click on Storage. Click Clear Data and then Clear Cache and press OK to continue. This will clear Discord's cache files. Then, uninstall Discord and restart your device. Next, open the Play Store and search for Discord, click Install, and follow the installation process. Once completed, check whether the issue has been resolved. If the problem still persists, the third solution is to download an older version of Discord. This is because the latest Discord update may be causing the issue. To do this, first uninstall the current version of Discord from your device. Next, open your browser and navigate to the download page. We'll put the link in the description section. Once you're on the download page, click Download. If you've never downloaded an APK file before, you may encounter some problems. Check out the cards section for a solution. After downloading, install the older version of Discord and check if the issue has been resolved. If downloading an older version of Discord didn't fix the issue, it means the problem isn't caused by the latest update. In this case, we'll have to wait for Discord developers to fix the issue. That's all for this video. We hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If so, please leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful videos. Take care, and see you in the next video.